In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Stremio movie playing error, not loading. If you've encountered this frustrating issue before, don't worry, you're not alone, and I'm here to help guide you through a straightforward process to get your movies playing smoothly again. Let's dive into it. First and foremost, to ensure everything is set up correctly, it's important to start by confirming that your internet connection is stable and functioning properly. A simple way to do this is by opening a website or heading over to YouTube to see if content loads without any hiccups. If you're having trouble connecting or experience any slowness, consider restarting your router. This can be done by unplugging it, waiting for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plugging it back in. Once your internet connection is confirmed to be back up and running, try playing the movie again on Stremio. Sometimes, just giving your connection a little boost can resolve issue. If the internet connection isn't the problem and you're still facing the same error, it's time to try another stream. Simply navigate back to the movie page within Stremio and select a different stream source from the list provided. Stremio typically offers several sources, and while one might be down or slow, another may work perfectly fine. After choosing an alternative stream, wait a few seconds for it to load properly before hitting play. This simple step might be all you need to get things moving. Should choosing a different stream not resolve the issue, the next logical step is to restart the Stremio app itself. To do this, close Stremio completely. It's a good idea to wait for about 10 to 15 seconds to ensure everything is properly reset. Then reopen the application and attempt to play your movie again. Restarting the app can often resolve unfixed glitches or temporary bugs that may cause streaming errors. If the error still persists, we might need to delve slightly deeper by clearing the Stremio cache. Open the app's settings and within the options, locate the caching section. There you'll have the choice to clear the cache or temporarily reduce the cache size. Doing this can help remove any corrupted data or excess files that may be causing the playback errors. After you've made these adjustments, restart Stremio once more to implement the changes and try playing your movie. Finally, if none of the previous steps have resolved the issue, there's a chance that your version of Stremio needs updating. It's crucial to have the latest version for optimal performance and bug fixes. Check from within the application settings if an update is available and proceed with installing it. Updates often contain fixes for known issues, and this could be the key to resolving the playback error you've been experiencing. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to enjoying your movies seamlessly. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're back on track with your streaming. If these tips were beneficial, feel free to let me know in the comments.